friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me today. Today I have a book that we're going to read together. It's called Who Will Guide My Sleigh Tonight? And it's written by Jerry Payota and David Bedrisky. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about Valentine's Day?
No.
No. Do you think it's about going to visit a new school?
No.
No. Do you think it's about Santa Claus and his sleigh?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it together and find out more. This is called Who Will Guide My Sleigh Tonight? The job was too big for me. I needed help. That's Santa looking at all the houses with a lot of snow on them. I had the sleigh, but one helper just wouldn't do. I was looking for a team. He needs a lot of help. I tried the tigers. They played too rough. They almost ate me. There's Santa running away. I tried the mice. They couldn't even lift the straps. It was too hard of a job for them. The penguins flapped and flapped. Oops! They flipped and flopped. He's teaching them how to fly. Penguins don't fly. The dolphins were really smart, but splash! They took me for a swim. That's where dolphins live, in the water. I loved the giraffes. Oh no, they got stuck. They're upside down. Oh no. I gave the skunks a try. It was a smelly idea. Oh no, P.U. Hop, hop, kangaroos, hop, hop. The presents, hop, hop, went everywhere. Hop, hop. Those kangaroos are silly. The turtles were too slow. The cheetahs were too fast. Snakes, snakes. I don't like snakes. Oh no. Lots of ideas. No success yet. I tried the rhinoceroses. Bam! Crash! They smashed through a house. Oh no, they smashed through the house. Don't even think about it, said Mrs. Claus. Bunnies are for Easter. Oh, look at him with all those bunnies. I tried monkeys. Stop it, don't look at my underwear. I think the monkeys were too silly. Then I had a bright idea. Reindeer. That's it. They can do it all. Look, they're right outside the window. What a nice, smooth ride. Yahoo! Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Next year, maybe I will try butterflies. The end. Thank you for reading the book with me. What was your favorite part of the book, or what was your favorite animal? Was it the mice trying to lift the straps? Was it maybe the tiger that tried to go fast and almost ate Santa? Or was it the thought of bunny rabbits? Or was it in the end with the reindeer flying smoothly? Those are all good parts of the book. Today we have an activity. For today's activity, we're going to be putting Santa together along with his sleigh and reindeer. So here we have a picture with nothing on it, but we're going to add our reindeer and our sleigh with Santa. I need your help. So first, we want to put on the sleigh, Santa's sleigh. Can you say, glue the sleigh on the paper?
Glue the sleigh on the paper.
Good job. Then we can put some glue and put it on the paper. Let's count for 5. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, now we need to make it look more like a sleigh and put some brown wood on the bottom. Can you say, we need a brown sleigh?
We need a brown sleigh.
Good job. And we're going to place it at the bottom. Let's hold it and count for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's keep going. Now, do you remember who sat inside of the sleigh?
Santa Claus.
That's right. It was Santa Claus. Let's put Santa in the sleigh. Can you say, Santa goes in the sleigh?
Santa goes in the sleigh.
Good job. And we're going to put him right in the sleigh. Let's count for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay. Now, who do you remember at the end that was guiding Santa's sleigh?
Reindeer.
That's right, the reindeer. Let's glue the reindeer here in the front of the sleigh. We have 2 of them, 2 sets. Can you say, the reindeer go in front of the sleigh?
The reindeer go in front of the sleigh.
Good job. And we'll glue them on the front. Okay, let's hold it down for 5 counts. We'll put 1 on the bottom and 1 on the top. Let's press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now we have 1 sentence to write or to put on the bottom of the paper. It says, the reindeer guides Santa's sleigh. Can you say it?
The reindeer guide Santa's sleigh.
Good job. Let's hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for doing the activity today and reading the book with me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.